Well, all the way back in April, Mitch Payton said this was going to happen, but as of now, we actually have the official announcement, and that is Seth Hammaker will be rejoining or continuing with, however you want to say it, with Pro Circuit Kawasaki in the 250 division. I don't know. He will be joining teammates Levi Kitchen, Garrett Marchbanks, Ty Masterpool, and Cameron McAdoo, and it says, this is from Verb. So, quote, on the quest to bring Pro Circuit its first title since Adam C. and Cirillo's 250 MX title in 2019. It's a long time ago, especially when you think this is one of the most like winning teams ever. Like championships on championships on championships. Team Green, how many people have come through that program and been just super successful. But obviously, he basically didn't race much last year. Finished 10th in 250 East region and 35th overall in the 250 Super Motocross standings, and that's after the shoulder injury that had him out. And apparently, this is just a deal for, as far as I'm reading, as far as I can see, signing for the 2025 season and at least 1 year. So it might be a 1 year contract with an option, or who knows how that works out or what's going to happen with him. But this is probably the year that you got to start showing up. If you're getting 1 year deals, that's basically saying we don't have much faith in you. So go win. Go win. Go get some podiums. Go put your face on, the TV so we can start getting some PR for the team and everything. And I highly doubt that if he doesn't continue or if he doesn't, get some wins or be top, I don't know, 3, 5 in the championship, I doubt he gets a option pickup for the year after that. And from there, who knows? I mean, obviously, there's a bunch of kids coming up. Drew Adams, especially in the Kawasaki kind of grouping of things. If he's, there's a ride for him if nothing else happens. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me. Do you think this is good for him? Good for the team? How well do you think he's going to do? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.